Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share some resources with you all tailored towards my fellow video creators, content creators, graphic designers, photographers, anything like that. Anyone who often needs extra stock photos or videos or graphics or anything like that, but don't always have the time or resources to create those things themselves. So I want to share with you a few websites that are all completely free where you can find free resources for your creative projects. The first one I've actually featured on my channel before in a design video. It's called Pexels, and this is where you can find free stock photos, and these are really high quality stock photos. It's one of the best things about this website, other than everything being extremely easy to find. These are really high quality stock photos, and they have them in almost every category. For example, I'll go in their popular searches, search for ice cream. And as you can see, they have tons of different photos of ice cream, people holding ice cream, just ice cream on its own, popsicles. And I'm going to show you an example of what the resolution on these photos looks like. So as you can see, there's a free download. You also like the photo or share it to another website. You can see exactly where this photo came from, so you can kind of see where you can find similar photos. Pixabay is another great website. And if you scroll down, you can see all the technical information for these photos. You can see what this photo was taken with, the color scheme from this photo, when it was photographed, where it was photographed, if the location is available, and of course this beautiful resolution for blowing up, shrinking down, anything like that. And if you wanted to locate similar photos, you can do that via these keywords down here. Pexels also has videos available. You can go up here to the bar up here, go down to free videos. And then you also find completely free stock videos, also really high quality. Most of them are relatively short, like 30 seconds or less, and there's longer videos of this person working on a MacBook, for example. But most of them are under a minute. The search and everything works the same way, and then you have this video of a person pouring coffee, which is what was featured on the first page. You can see the source, same as with the photos. And then you can see this is available in full HD. I have not seen anything in 4K on this website. That might be the only downside, but I'm okay with full HD video for anything that I'm doing right now. Next up is a site called Cover. Cover is a little bit different in that it's not just free stock photos. You can definitely download these and use them, plug them into Premiere or whatever and use them that way. But these videos are specifically meant to be used for the background on your homepage of your website. So if I scroll down, I can see all the different categories that they have. Let's see, I want to go to artsy. And then they have these kind of just more abstract things like cars and iPhoneography and someone writing with a pencil and some clouds, time-lapse, things like that. So say I want this fresh paint one to be on my homepage of my portfolio website or whatever I'm creating. So when someone comes to my website, they would see this looping video. I can click and see it as a cover and see what it would look like on my homepage. 7 new videos come out every Monday, so that's when you can check back on this website for new content. And I can also just download it to my computer like I would a normal video. Once you download a video, it will show you how to use it on this how to use page. It tells you what code to paste into your website so that it will show up on your homepage. And if you want to, you can also submit content to the site via the contribute page as well. Next up is Unsplash, which is very similar to Pexels, but it's a little more social. It says gifted by the world's most generous community of photographers, so it is more like a community, kind of like Flickr actually. So I select the photo and I can not only see the resolution and everything, but I can also see how many people have liked it. I can download it, of course see all the technical information for it, but I can also see who took it and where this person is from. And I can see all of their other photos as well. So each creator has a little profile on here. And each photo tells you how the photographer would like you to give credit as well. Next up is Vecteezy, and I'm really glad I discovered this because free vector art, or free graphics in general, are so hard to find. Free high quality graphics at least. Not only can you find free vector art and graphics on Vecteezy, but you can find ones that are editable as well. So let me give you an example. So I selected this one after searching for beach graphics, and I can kind of see what it comes with. And not only can I just download this and get it in a zip file format, but I can go over to edit and download, and I can go in and tweak everything that I see here, just like I'm in Illustrator, for example. So I won't go into too much detail, but let's just say I wanted to change the colors of this beach umbrella. I could go in here and change the color of the beach umbrella. So when I download it, this little panel is like purple now instead of the reddish orangish color that it was before. So I can get exactly what I want out of these graphics color-wise, graphic-wise, right before I download it. Even if I don't have Illustrator on my computer and I still want to use these graphics, I can have it just like this. Last but not least, we have textures.com. I've discovered this a while ago. I mostly use this website for video backgrounds, but you can also use it for other things. And if I hit the feature textures button, it can see everything that kind of looks like leather. So it's a little different than stock photos. It's meant to be used in kind of a different way. But I haven't seen many websites that are fully dedicated to texture specifically instead of just like stock photos of anything. And then you can go over here, we can see you have all sorts of different textures: marble, metal, paper, plastic. I've used the paper one a lot. And inside of each subcategory, it is very well organized. We have different folders. You can see they have 93 block patterns, 42 broken window patterns, 125 derelict patterns, so many different options here. Just under old house windows, they have 425 photos. So you could go through this website for a while and you'll probably find what you need. The only thing that's a little different about textures that you do need an account to really use the site. As you can see, you need credits to download anything from the website. Once you make an account, you get 2 credits a day, and that's what you use to download these pictures. So you can basically download 2 textures a day or 1 texture a day if you do it in a higher quality format. That is all for this video. I will leave links to everything I've mentioned in this video in the description. Please let me know what you think of these websites, and I will catch you in the next video. Have a good one.